In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sure constant contact emails reach your inbox. If your campaigns or confirmations keep slipping into spam or junk, this quick walkthrough will help you fix that by adding constant contact to your safe sender list and verifying everything with a simple test. First, open your email provider or your company email settings. If you use webmail, sign in through your browser. If you use a desktop app like Outlook, open it and look for the Settings or Preferences menu. Business users may also have an admin portal for company managed email. If that's you, keep that handy. Next, find the area that controls spam, security, or safe sender settings. Different providers use different names. You might see junk mail, spam filters, safe senders, allowed senders, or allow list. If you're unsure, use the settings search bar and type safe, junk, or spam to jump right to the correct page. Now add constant contact sending email or domain to your safe sender list. Many providers let you allow an entire domain, which is the most reliable approach. If your provider gives you the option, choose the domain setting so all messages from Constant Contact are treated as trustworthy. If you only have an email field, add the sending address used for your campaigns. This tells your mailbox that these messages are expected and should land in your inbox rather than being filtered. If you're using a business or organization email, ask your IT team to whitelist Constant Contact on your company's email system. They may need to do this at the mail server, spam gateway, or security platform level to make sure filtering doesn't block messages before they even reach your inbox. Share that you need constant contact allowed both by domain and by any security policies that flag bulk mail. Be sure to save your changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or OK button and confirm the settings are updated. Some systems take a moment to refresh, so give it a minute if needed. Finally, send a test email and confirm it lands in your inbox. You can send a test from your Constant Contact account or have a colleague forward a recent campaign. Check your primary inbox first, and in services like Gmail, also glance at promotions or updates. If the test doesn't arrive after a few minutes, check the spam folder. Then revisit your safe sender settings or follow up with IT if you're on a managed account. That's it. With these steps, your constant contact emails should consistently reach your inbox, making it easier to review, respond, and stay on schedule.